How is the real estate market in Pasadena doing today and this month of May, and what I may expect going forward? I'm going to try to give you a quick real estate update for the month of May here in Pasadena and the surrounding area like the San Gabriel Valley and Greater Los Angeles in under 5 minutes. So please hang out. I know you're busy, but I think this will be helpful. Please feel free to save the video for future reference or share it with a friend, and reach out to us with any of your real estate needs. My name is Ibrahim. I lead a team of realtors here in Pasadena and the San Gabriel Valley called Team Ibrahim, and we are grateful to have over 200 5-star reviews on Google, Yelp, Realtor.com, Zillow. Please feel free to Google our name, Team Ibrahim. You'll find all the reviews there. You don't have to take my word for it. And if my word checks out to be true, then please reach out to me. My information is in the description, and you can also send me a comment or a direct message if that's easier. So this month in May, new listings have declined, which is counter-cyclical, not what I would expect for this time of year. Now, the last 2 years have been a little bit funny thanks to Mr. Trump's tariffs and deportations and a huge fire in Pasadena and the Palisades. And this year we have the war with Iran. So things have definitely been not the norm, but new listings have gone down, not by much, but a little bit this month. And I think it's worth just noting. In the meantime, active listings have increased. So there's more properties on the market, which is normal and is typical for this time of year. Pending sales, however, have decreased. So that is also another slight anomaly, meaning if we have more active listings on the market, but less of them have accepted an offer, that means there's more sellers than buyers in the market. Some people would call that a buyer's market. However, what has happened to those listings that have sold? This is going to be interesting for you. Before I get to that next data point, which I just mentioned, I want to point out that the days on market have been decreasing. So that is cyclical, and that is a sign of strength. And I do expect to see that, as usual, in May when the market is hot. Let's look at the months of supply, which are increasing. That means it's taking longer to sell the properties that are on the market, and the price per square foot also increasing. However, the slope of the increase in the price per square foot is less than last month. And the total price per square foot is flat as of last year, meaning we have not experienced price growth. Technically, it's down negative 0.2%, which is basically the same as flat. So the long story short is that we've had less new supply. We have more active supply, meaning more existing supply. We have less pending sales. So let's just say there's 100 properties on the market. I'm just making this number up. Let's say there's 100 properties on the market. Not all of them are selling. Maybe 80 of them are selling. So more active listings, less pending sales. But the properties that are hitting the market that are attractive are still selling quickly, and the price per square foot is still technically up. And last fun data point is the percent of the original list price. So when you put a property on the market for 1 million or 2 million, if you get an offer for over that, then the percent of original list price is going to be above 100%. If you get an offer for below that, then the percent of the original list price is going to be below 100%. So here in Pasadena, the percent of the original list price is over 102% for the properties that have sold. That means if you have a great property, if you price it well, if you position it correctly, and if you market it well, you should get some great offers, as evidenced by the data this month here in May in Pasadena. So Pasadena real estate, I would say, is quite balanced right now. You have the attractive properties that are positioned well, selling quickly, and you have the less attractive properties that may not be priced or positioned correctly, not selling quickly. Lastly, I want to give you a quick update on mortgage rates for the month of May. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate. This graph is showing you the average survey from the Mortgage Bankers Association. So it started over 7% last year, came down to 6% when the United States and Israel attacked Iran and the war started. the price of oil skyrocketed, therefore inflation expectations increased, therefore interest rates followed suit and also increased from just below 6% to a little bit over 6.5%. Then they started to calm down to 6.25%. And as of this last week, thanks to some recent skirmishes in the Middle East, they're back up to 6.5%. So there you have it. Less new listings, more active listings, less days on market, higher price per square foot, but less than you'd expect, over 102% of the original list price, and mortgage rates are back up to 6.5%. How's that for a 5-minute summary of the Pasadena real estate market by your favorite local realtor, Marcus Ibrahim at Team Ibrahim? Please reach out. I would love to help you figure out what might be best for your situation, or share this with a friend who might be curious of how the market is doing in Pasadena. My information is below. God bless you, and I can't wait to hear from you.